Hi guys, welcome to Information Star channel. To prepare a homemade energy boosting smoothie, you will need a few simple ingredients. Here is a basic recipe for making a homemade energy booster. Ingredients: 1 large banana about 7 inches long, 1 cup of milk or plant-based milk for a vegan version, 2 tablespoons of raw honey, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder or pure cocoa, this is optional, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, this is optional too, and ice. Instructions: peel and slice the banana into small pieces. Place the banana slices into a blender. Add the milk, honey, cocoa if using, and coconut oil if using to the banana. Blend all the ingredients together in the blender until you have a smooth and creamy mixture. Adjust the honey or cocoa to taste if needed. Finally, add the ice to the mixture and blend again until the smoothie is cool and delicious. Now, you can pour this homemade energy boosting smoothie into a glass and enjoy. This smoothie will help increase your energy, boost your immune system, and improve your overall health. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this type of content and found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.